Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the handbrake on your Volvo XC90. A properly functioning handbrake is crucial for safety and ensures your vehicle remains secure when parked. We'll cover the steps to access the adjustment mechanism and then guide you through the process of tightening it for optimal performance. You'll want your handbrake to engage firmly within 2 to 5 clicks of the pedal. First, you'll need to gain access to the adjustment mechanism. Begin by moving the driver's seat all the way back to give yourself ample room. Next, carefully remove the carpeted side panel located on the driver's side of the center console. Once this panel is off, look down and to the right to find the parking brake adjustment mechanism, which can be a bit hidden. Now for the adjustment itself. Locate the small retaining clip on the mechanism and remove it with care. Then, screw the socket clockwise over the groove for the retaining clip. This action helps to increase the tension on the parking brake cable. After adjusting, press the socket back over the adjustment rod and securely reinstall the clip. Some models may also require fine-tuning the brake shoes through a wheel lug hole. Once the adjustment is made, it's time to test your work. Depress the parking brake pedal to its first notch. Then, press out the adjustment rod to achieve the desired tension. The handbrake should now provide full effect when engaged between the second and fifth ratchet teeth. Finally, carefully reinstall the center console panel, ensuring it is secure and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.